If you're anything like me, your kitchen is where most of the action happens. Where not only memorable meals, but messes are made. Along with some mischief. When we moved into our house, the kitchen wasn't anywhere we wanted to hang out. It was dated, it was drab, but it wasn't anything some elbow grease couldn't fix.
Get this.
The remodel for this room was under a tight budget, so I had to think of how we could transform the room without tearing everything out. By replacing the backsplash, painting the cabinets, updating the hood, range, and the faucet, and adding in some window treatments, it's now a fresh space fit for food and fun.
Is this the right one?
Yeah.
The kitchen is now the center of our home, a place we cook, bake, eat, and relax.
Oh, you want one?
And where we make some of our most treasured memories.
Ah!